Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome, y'all. It's Wacky Wednesday. I'm back out here with one of my wacky quads. Here with another B, y'all. I'm trying to find a place for this guy to take off from. This is by Cheerson. The Cheerson B. Is a very rare quad. I'm pretty sure somebody out there has one of these, but it's from Cheerson. It is deviated, so I'm gonna be flying it with my Devo 12D with deviation. It's cold out here, y'all. Let's get this guy up in the air. Hopefully it fares well out here. Haven't flown this thing in years. Real finicky how this thing takes off, y'all. Let's try to get it from here. It can barely stay in the air, this battery. It's not that powerful. I gotta switch the plug on this guy. Oh, we went down. Yeah, this battery isn't holding the charge too well. Let me see if I can take off again. Doesn't look like a bee while it's flying. This thing actually flips, y'all. Can't get it to stay in the air. I'm gonna have to get some new batteries or something. I don't even know why I tried this battery. I guess that's her attempt to fly away. All of a sudden this battery got a lot of spunk now. So she flies when she wants to. She wants to fly away on me now, and that's the only reason why she's going up now. Keep her away from the trees. That's the thing about these quads without altitude hold. You can just drop the throttle on them when they try to fly away on you. She's flying nice now. Uh-oh. The Cheerson B. Since she's doing all this, let's see if she'll flip for me. I know it's gonna fall when I try to flip it, so I'm taking it up high. So she's not gonna flip at all. Oh! Not the tree, not the tree. Tree tried to grab her. Or maybe she tried to grab it. You know, don't crash, don't crash. You know. Out here with my Whacky bee, y'all. She's going down. Whacky Wednesday, the Cheerson bee. Thanks for watching.